Check out this finished part. It's looking so nice here. Let's zoom in here and we'll give it the fingernail test to check the fit. And that is really good. Barely any catch right there. Really, really happy with the way this turned out. Good evening, everyone. I am so excited about this this here video. I have been working on this process for quite some time. So to jump straight to the point, to answer the question in the title, yes, you can mill out custom accurate shapes with good dimensional accuracy for your own project without the use of a fancy Bridgeport or a CNC milling machine. We do it all by hand here. So this process involves using a drill press, router tool, and 3D printer. And I've taken to calling the process analog CNC because you're taking the computer numerically controlled 3D printed part and you're transferring it through hand tools into aluminum. So if you read the text at the start of this video, this is going to be the very abbreviated version of a much longer, much more in-depth explanation. This is going to be the Cliff Notes overview. This is going to show you the general steps you take. However, please, if you decide that you want to build something similar, you want to follow my footsteps or iterate the process on your own, please go watch the full version of this longer video. It goes way more into depth. It goes into the jig design. It goes into the card design. It goes into router settings. It goes into what coolant to use and how it goes way into depth. And there's a lot of pitfalls, and if you're not careful, you can make some mistakes. Ask me how I know. Yeah, you can make mistakes working through this process. So I've had a few tries at some prototypes here, so I've really done my due diligence to work towards perfecting this whole process here. So enjoy the short version. If you want to learn and you want to do this on your own, please go check out the long version. All right, let's jump right into it. 1/2 inch hole, find the middle of it, fire it up there, let her rip. Alright, and here we are. This is a finished product. So there's a couple imperfections, and we'll talk about that in a moment, but before we do, let me show you. So this is the copper oval. This might be a little tricky to do one-handed, but there she goes. These are two self-made parts. And I would say that's pretty darn good. And let's go zoom in down there. All right. That's really good. I appreciate y'all watching. And I really hope this was helpful and informative. And I hope you get to learn some stuff here, and I would love to see anybody that replicates this process for their own project. So please let me know in the comments, link me to other videos, send me your projects. I'd love to see it. Alright, I think that's going to be it for today. Thank you all. See you later. Bye.